If you want to cast or mirror your Android phone screen to your Google TV, it's actually built right into the system. No extra apps are needed. So here's how to easily do it. Casting works the same for any Android device. Make sure your Android phone and Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The cast won't work if you use different internet networks. Now, on your Android phone, you can open any media player or apps to cast. Casting works almost same for the different platforms as well. For this video, I'll open YouTube. Now open any video on YouTube. Once opened, you will see a cast icon that looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves. Tap on it. Now if your Google TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as this Android phone, you will be able to see your Google TV among the options. Tap on your Google TV name. Wait for the connection to finish, and you should start streaming instantly. And that's it. Now, you're mirroring or casting your Android phone to Google TV. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.